Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this gift wrap paper cutter. This is awesome. I'm one of those people that I can never cut straight. So when you look at your paper, it is all sorts of jaggedy and you are trying to just make it work just right and it never ends up quite right. This solves that problem. So this is actually a little set of two, and you can get them in a variety of colors. Mine is in black that I was sent. And all it is this simple tool that has a double blade on it. So it doesn't matter if you're right-handed or left-handed, it will cut either way because of the way this blade is designed. And you just simply put it over top of the paper and then you glide it across. So I'm gonna bring you in here so we can take a look at this. So you have your two blades, one on each side, and then you have a nice slip resistant on the top. So whenever you are doing this, your hands have somewhere to grip. And because of how this design is, you can use either your right or your left hand. And you just simply line up your paper on the bottom right down here. And then you put the thing over it and you glide. And you get a nice cutting for your paper. Super fast. Now you can tell the difference in the side that cut versus the side that I cut that is all jagged and not very pretty. This works really, really well. It makes a nice clean cut. It'd be great for a gift or just gift wrapping as the season of giving is coming up. Just make a nice cut for any gift, nice and straight.